Welcome back, guys. Happy Movember here. It's almost Christmas time. Now I picked this up, another unboxing for you here. It's going to be the Spigen Rugged Armor. Now, if you guys remember, I did a unboxing of the other one, the other Spigen case, which actually had the screen protector on it. Many of you, I think, disliked that one just because of the fact that it did already have a full screen protector, which is not needed for the Apple Watch Ultra. Again, it is for the heaviest titanium case, Apple one. I picked it up from Amazon. Again, none of my videos are sponsored. I picked it up for $18.99, or sorry, it's $18.99 US and it is $24.99 in Canada. And I just want to make a quick announcement as well. For this video itself, I'm going to have a giveaway contest. So after reaching 250 subscribers, I'm going to give away an Amazon gift card, which you could use towards any of my purchases or any of your purchases, sorry, for things that I have reviewed or anything that you would want. All you would need to do is subscribe to my channel, leave a comment on this specific video, and hit that notification bell so that you do get notified as to my upcoming and uploaded videos. I will do more videos again on the Apple Watch soon. So now, again, we're just going to do a quick unboxing. I'll show you what it looks like on the watch and my first impressions of it. So let's get started. Again, if you guys know, Spigen does pretty minimalistic, but looks pretty nice and still some quality to the paper wrapping. So you pull the tab here. Let's see. So you pull it up. Again, it's most likely going to be wrapped in plastic. Yep, just as I expected, kind of cornstarch plastic here. Throw that aside. And really, this is it. Now, I actually got this one, which I used as my daily bumper case for the Apple Watch 7, which has been handed down. Now, it looks exactly the same if you look at it really quickly. It does have the click button here for the action button. Speaker grills, mic grill, little, it's TPU too, I believe, so it's pretty flexible. For the other click button here, your dial, everything else, and then the bands just go through there. So this one, installation wise, you will have to take the band off first, kind of just not like the other one, because the bands will slit through there. So there you go, Spigen, California, made in China, for the 49 millimeters and this kind of fake screw pattern there for the Apple Watch Ultra. So for here, the watch, let's take it off really quickly. I'll have to remove these bands. It's always a challenge for this solo loop here, but you just gotta press it and pull down a little bit. There we go. So let's click it in. All you need to do is, so start with the dial part, throw it in. Now, as you can see, my action button is for flashlight. And really, let's see, make sure it's fit in snug. All the fingerprints there, flashlight's on. And that's really it. You'll basically see that it's even in the bezels there. Doesn't have any screen protectors. You can see now it does have a lip to protect against scratches on the screen, but everything else is still there. You'll still get your dials, your buttons, really clicky, actually, you can hear it. The back protected pretty well except for the sensors and the charging, and everything is there. You can see the girls match. And so let's slip it on really quickly. Let's see how it looks. And there it is. I mean, it still doesn't look that bulky on the hand. I do have small wrists, but you can see it still doesn't really affect anything. It looks pretty nice compared to, again, the screen protector one. This is the one I chose anyways. Again, I used this from Apple Watch 7. So really, there it is. Looks pretty nice. Again, just remember to for that contest, 250 subscribers. Once I hit that, I will be drawing a random name from the comments. You just have to like and subscribe to the video and leave a comment again and hit that notification bell, and I will draw and announce the winner once 250 subscribers is hit, and then do the draw again. And I will it'll be an Eve gift card, so it'll just be sent to your email, which you could use for Amazon once again. Okay, have a great day. Take care.